Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video as usual as a weekly recap. So let's get started. Week started on the 15th, July 15th, right? So one of the first trade was a Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie was just dropping for several weeks, and short. So all of these were entries, and this is my last entry I'm showing here, 15th. And then on the same day we had pound Aussie as well. This is all because of the pound strength. And after this it retraced, and I got another entry the same day, and this one. And then you can see here, it came down here, bounces, and gave me another entry. I got in here again and then drop. This is how easy it is. If you understand the system, you can get sometimes multiple entries in one day in single pair. And then pound Aussie on the next day after this one, this little bit, and then again this entry all the way down for 130 more pips, right? 3 trades in a row. I'll show you why. And then you see pound and yen, again same thing, because of the pound weakness. It's all because of the pound weakness. All pound pairs were going down. So this is also went down for 110 pip on the 16th, and then comes 16th also. There's euro yen, yeah, this one of the trade. And then you have another euro yen trade, this one, the first one I showed you. And see, this is a big level, 2150, sorry, 2115. And if you don't cash out, this is what happened to you from the big number. So see how beautiful it is. This break a level. First you got to stop at the level, bounce, gave me the setup, broke the level, came down to the next level, went up to the testing to test the old level that it broke, and then found support, resistance, and then went down. This is how systematic this market moves. Franc yen short, and then pound USD. Now pound getting retracement, is going to get retracement next week. Also probably is gonna retrace because it went down a lot. I'll show you in a minute, in a few seconds actually, at the end of this video. So this is on the 18th, and then is the same 18th is Euro Aussie to the downside, because Euro is dropping big time and it will continue dropping. I think into next week the euro is going to get weaker. And then on the 18th, see pound USD because of the pound, and then little help from the USD as well, but the pound actually is getting strong. So this was the entry that I just showed you 2 charts before, and then it was here, right? But I held this one all the way to the upside while I'm making another entry here from another account. Let me show it to you. This is the one. That's also pound USD the same day on 18th. My first entry was this. Now this second entry also, there's a reason that I use a different account. So, and then the last but not the least is pound CAD, also because of thanks for pound strength coming in as a retracement, and it went down. Now let me show you why all these pound pairs short I did. Okay, I made the pound index chart back in 3rd May, that this is the trend line, and 68.41 area is gonna hold probably, and then just watch out, and we're gonna flip to the downside. I forgot to mark here to the downside, but you understand why. And now, and then that's exactly what happened. And this chart is, as of today, it is here in a straight line. It came down. Now based on that chart, the old chart, this one I made several, since pound index is going to drop, pound is going to get weaker, and all pound pair except euro pound, because euro is on the left hand side, pound is on the right hand side. So if pound gets weaker, that pair goes up. Everything else, all the pound pair will go down when the pound index go down, or pound gets weaker. So if this is dropping, all pound pair going to drop, right? So this dropped, and look what happened. At the same time I made the chart for pound USD on 3rd May, and look, from here I said we're going to drop here, and today we are here. Okay, similarly next pound pair I made the chart on the May 3rd, that this is where we are now, and we're going to drop back to this TL, and we did this. Okay, we are at the TL. That's why I'm saying that everything is just dropped, and right now at the support, so we may get a retracement. Okay, not the turning point, but may get a retracement. Okay, be careful. And then not only that, but pound Aussie, I made the chart that is dropping. It's coming down to the TL, and what it did this. We are exactly at the TL. as of today. Okay, so either we're gonna break it or bounce. Bouncing chances are increased here because we are at the support, and then index we saw that it went down, extended, right? So it might retrace at around 38% or 23% line before continuing to the downside. And if any bad news from UK continue, then we're gonna just simply break these areas and break the support, break the TL, rising TLs, and then continue going to the downside. The last chart that I made was like this. This is a pound CAD. It was going down and it was kind of breaking the TL. It was in a hurry. It made the move before anybody, right? Actually, I made it, all the charts I made in May, and I forgot to make this one. I knew it is dropping, but I forgot. I actually lost the chart, so forget about it. I made another chart here in June 7th, right? And then saying that going down with everybody else, and the target was this line here, 64.70, and as of today we are here. Okay, and on the 20th July I recorded this chart just yesterday, actually early in the morning today, right? So this is what happened. All the charts, all pound pairs, and similarly, just like pound, I have a profile made for euro pairs, Aussie pairs, yen pairs, and you know what the index is doing, and all the other pair involving that currency, what they will be doing. So I make these charts, I give it to my subscribers, and then I explain them and do my analysis on the weekly basis on my weekly webinars. I do webinar twice a week, okay, and 2 times, one on Sunday and the other one on Wednesday. Sunday I go over that, what is going to happen Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday morning, and then Wednesday evening webinar we go over what has happened and then what is going to be on Thursday and Friday. We cover that, and which pair to go long, which pair to go short, where the setups are, and everything. So this is how it is, and if you like what you see, you want to be a part of it, then go on my website and subscribe. And today is Saturday. You have Saturday and Sunday. Set up your charts and start trading like this. And if you have any problem setting up the charts and anything, I will get on the Skype and help you out. So this is it for now, and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.